Securely store your large and heavy items with AKRO-MILS heavy-duty steel shelving systems. Manufactured from high-grade 22-gauge steel with a powder-coated finish, these units can be ordered separately or with bins for a complete system. Units are easy to assemble, using nuts and bolts on the frame and the top and bottom shelves, and adjustable compression clips on the remaining shelves. There are more than 200 bin and color combinations of steel shelving packages available, including AKRO-MILS industry-leading supersize AKRO bins, Stak-N-Store bins, Shelf Max bins, indicator bins, and more.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.